Welcome back. Take a deep breath, relax your mind, and get ready for another satisfying blackhead removal session. In today's treatment, we are focusing on deep-seated blackheads, clogged pores, and compacted impurities that have been trapped beneath the skin for a long time. These blackheads form when excess oil, dead skin cells, and bacteria collect inside open pores. Over time, exposure to air causes oxidation, turning the trapped material dark. As you can see, the skin surface may look calm, but beneath it lies congestion that needs careful and professional extraction. Before beginning the extraction, the skin has been properly cleansed using a gentle cleanser to remove surface dirt, oil, and makeup residue. This step is extremely. After cleansing, a warm compress or steam is applied to help open the pores, softening the hardened sebum inside and making extraction easier and safer. Now, we begin the process slowly and gently. Using a sterile extraction tool, light pressure is applied around the pore. Notice how the blackhead begins to rise to the surface. There is no forcing here, only controlled, even pressure. When done correctly, the contents release smoothly without damaging the surrounding skin. That slow release you're seeing is years of buildup finally leaving the pore. Each extraction brings instant relief to the skin. Once clogged, these pores were unable to breathe properly. Removing blackheads allows oxygen to reach the skin again, promoting healthier texture and appearance. As we move to the next area, you may notice some pores are larger and more stubborn. These blackheads have been compacted deeply and require extra patience. Gentle rocking motions help loosen the blockage while keeping the skin intact. This is not just about appearance, it's about skin health. Leaving blackheads untreated can lead to inflammation, breakouts, enlarged pores, and uneven skin tone. Proper extraction, when done hygienically, helps prevent future acne and improves overall skin clarity. Now observe this particular extraction. The blackhead emerges in one solid piece, indicating that the pore was fully clogged. This is a satisfying result and a sign of a successful extraction. Once the pore is cleared, it immediately appears smaller and cleaner. Let's move on to the nose area. The nose contains a high concentration of sebaceous glands, making it a hotspot for blackheads and whiteheads. Because of constant oil production, this area requires extra care and precision. Slow, steady pressure is applied from the sides of the pore. Watch as the oxidized material gently releases. The skin underneath looks clearer and smoother almost instantly. This process may look intense, but when done correctly, it should never be painful. A trained hand understands how much pressure is enough and when to stop. Now we encounter a cluster of small blackheads. Next, we move to deeper blackheads that have been hidden for a long time. These often require multiple gentle attempts. With patience, the blockage slowly loosens and finally releases. The result is deeply satisfying and incredibly effective for long-term skin improvement. After completing the extractions, the skin is thoroughly cleansed once again. This removes any remaining debris and prepares the skin for soothing treatments. A calming mask is then applied to reduce redness, tighten pores, and restore balance. Ingredients like aloe vera, tea tree, or chamomile help calm the skin while preventing irritation. As the mask sets in, the skin begins its recovery process. Post-extraction care is just as important as the extraction itself. The pores need time to close, and the skin needs hydration to rebuild its protective barrier. Skipping this step can undo all the hard work. And there you have it. A complete blackhead removal session that not only looks satisfying but also promotes healthier, clearer skin. Remember, extractions should always be done with clean tools and proper technique. Avoid attempting deep blackhead removal at home without knowledge, as improper pressure can cause damage. After the extractions are complete, the skin enters an important recovery phase. At this stage, the pores are open and the skin is more sensitive, so proper aftercare is essential. A soothing toner is gently applied to help rebalance the skin's pH level and remove any remaining residue. This step also helps tighten the pores and reduce the appearance of redness. Next, a calming treatment mask is applied evenly across the treated areas. This mask is specially chosen to reduce inflammation, cool the skin, and promote faster healing. Ingredients like aloe vera, green tea, and chamomile work together to calm irritation and restore comfort to the skin. To finish the session, a protective layer of soothing serum is applied. This final step seals in moisture, supports skin healing, and leaves the complexion looking smooth, clean, and revitalized. With consistent care and professional treatments like this, blackheads and clogged pores can be effectively managed. Healthy skin is not about harsh pressure or aggressive methods, it's about patience, hygiene, and proper technique. Before you go, remember that healthy skin starts with consistent care. Cleansing your skin daily, avoiding excessive squeezing, and choosing the right skincare products can make a big difference over time. Professional treatments help maintain clear pores, but simple habits at home play an equally important role in preventing blackheads and breakouts. If you're new here, welcome. This channel is dedicated to relaxing, satisfying, and educational skincare content designed to help you unwind while learning safe skin practices. New videos are uploaded regularly, featuring gentle extractions, pore cleansing treatments, and calming skincare routines. Turn on notifications so you never miss a session. As this session comes to a close, allow yourself to enjoy the calm feeling it leaves behind. Skincare is not just about appearance, it's a form of self-care. Taking time to slow down, relax, and care for your skin can help reduce stress and promote overall well-being. If this video helped you unwind, feel free to save it and return whenever you need a moment of relaxation. These sessions are designed to be enjoyed again and again, offering comfort, calm, and satisfying results each time you watch. Stay gentle with your skin, be patient with the process, and trust consistency over force. Clear, healthy skin is a journey, not a rush. And as the screen slowly fades, let the calm remain with you. The skin is now clean, balanced, and at ease, free from buildup, free from tension. Each pore has been given the care it needed, and the complexion is left refreshed and renewed. This is the quiet moment after the treatment, where the skin rests and recovers. Nothing rushed, nothing forced, just gentle care and steady results. If you find yourself needing another moment of relaxation, feel free to stay here or begin again from the start. These sessions are made to be enjoyed at your own pace whenever you need a pause from the day. We'll be right here, ready to welcome you back into the next soothing skincare experience.